covering hajib, I think. Do you mean hijab, ma'am? Yes, a hijab. To wear? To show sorry, to, is it alright if a non-Muslim buys one? I mean, you don't actually have to be a believer, do you? If you're a friend? Of course, ma'am. You can buy for a friend. Oh, no, I wouldn't want it for a friend. What kind of hijab would you like, ma'am? Oh, wow, I like your hijab. It's very pretty.
Wala talaga ayaw.
My family is from Morocco. We like colors. Who likes black or white? Very strict or all likes black. American nation of Islam wears white. What you call the black Muslims? But now, many women now are wearing red, white, and blue for America. So they won't be taken for terrorists? We are Americans too, ma'am. You know, this is really beautiful and very soft, lovely and silky and so feminine. You want this for a costume, ma'am? I'm sorry? A what? For a costume, like for Halloween or to the kids wear the language in the parade? Oh, no, it's not for a costume. But why will you wear it, ma'am? For friendship. I wouldn't want to offend anyone. Oh, that's why. I researched about it. I know the scarf has to do with God. Some wear the scarf for God, some for their families, and I know that it is also a sign of modesty. We take it off when we do something like that. It's what our family doesn't like. Example, going to the movies maybe for someone who doesn't knows my family will go. It's like they're always watching us. We have to be careful not to embarrass them. Then if that's the case, I try not to do anything embarrassing while I'm wearing it. Not me. By me, it's okay. It's mostly the men. Excuse me, miss. May I ask how to wear this hijab? Fasten it like this, ma'am. Carry your head. Simply go. Stand straight for respect. Put the face bit down for modesty. Wow, you look so lovely, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Do you want something else, ma'am? Oh, no, I'm fine. This hijab is all I need. Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day. Okay, bye. I think the saleswoman was right. This looks so good on me. Like, why would they even discriminate a Muslim looking like this?
Don't you look? What's the occasion? Are you aiming for solidarity? Wait, let's clear this thing, hon. You're not wearing and using nothing just to make a communist fashion statement, right? You know, I think you're just borrowing some symbolic gestures to protect the Jews in the 1940s. You know, to make a common cause today with the Jews as enemies.
Of course, no. I'm not.
Well, some Muslims say it was the Jews who destroyed the towers. You know, some secret Mossad agents turned and disguised it on Arab. Then they crushed the plane to bring the US into the Israel's war against Islam.
Wait, I'm not following. What did you just say?
Jews were warned. Don't go to work at the towers. You know, don't fly on a plane.
That was crazy.
Oh, it's crazy? Crazier than wrapping up like a mommy?
Hijab is for modesty, just like no shirts of the Vatican. You know, my friend, I am doing this for giving my sympathy to the Muslim women in our country who are nowadays looking and treated as terrorists.
Oh my God. Do you think you can change things by only doing that?
Did I say so? Of course no.
Wake up!
Oh, come on. We all know that not all Muslims are bad. There are some who likes to be with us, just like the saleswoman at the market.
Oh, that woman? That woman from the market. You know, she's a sales clerk, Candice. What are you going to expect? Being nice is your job.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, well, do you? I think have a nice day.
What's the matter? Maybe I can help you.
Can you bring back my parents if I will talk to you? If you still have a little bit of consideration, please, let me alone.
Why? What happened to your parents? Can you tell me what happened to your parents?
Both my parents are human rights activists. They are against any means of oppressing others, race, gender, or sexuality. They have a lot of Muslim friends. But then, they still make my parents uninstrumental to execute their wrong ideas.
If that's the case, then you should be the one how to judge all of us because you know what solidarity means.
But I don't believe now.
Believe on her. Not all Muslims are like the ones you have seen on TV and the newspaper. We are here in front of you to prove that we are not afraid to be with others because we did not do anything wrong.
Well, that's a part of your tactic to condition our mind to believe under terrorist ideology. I have to get away from here, from the two of you.
Troy, you also are a Muslim attire?
Yes, I did.
But why?
Because I also believe in your idea.
To make this planet a haven for peace and solidarity?
Yes, it may be a hard time for us to show it at this point in time, but I believe that one day there will be no worries anymore for people in different races like religion, gender, or sexuality to communicate with one another.
It's not too late, right?
Yes, it's not.
Well, Troy, can we go to my house and we are going to do something?
What are we going to do?
Just follow me. Candice and Troy didn't lose hope. Instead, they are being motivated and looking for solutions to centuries-old conflicts.